Take a deep breath. Every time you breathe in and out. When you breathe in, your body is taking things out of the air that it needs to work. And when you breathe out, your body is getting rid of things that it doesn't need anymore. So there's something in the air called oxygen. And oxygen is what people need to breathe. So when you breathe in, your body takes in oxygen and brings it to your lungs. When you breathe out, your body is getting rid of something called carbon dioxide that your body made, but it doesn't need anymore, so it's getting rid of. Now, we're people, so we have to breathe. But did you know that there's something else that also breathes? Do you know what it is? Look outside. See if you can find any trees or grass or flowers. Those are all plants. And plants, like people, also have to breathe. But when people breathe, we take oxygen and we get rid of carbon dioxide. But plants, they need carbon dioxide. So they take the carbon dioxide that we breathe out. And we take the oxygen that plants give us. So we need to say thank you to the trees and the other plants who make oxygen for us to breathe. So we're going to do a little experiment where we can see how a plant tries to breathe. So now I'm outside. I am going to take a leaf from a living plant for this experiment, and a bigger leaf works better. I'm also going to take a little rock that I'm going to use to hold the leaf underwater. So now take a glass container and fill it with lukewarm water, and you're going to put it somewhere in the sunlight. Then take your leaf and place it in the water. You're going to use your rock to hold it underwater so it's completely submerged. You're going to let this sit for about 2 hours. I know it's a long time, but then you're going to come back and you're going to look for something. So I looked on the top and I didn't see anything. But when I looked on the bottom, I saw some bubbles. So you can see here, the bubbles are coming out from where the plant is trying to breathe. Just like when you go underwater and you breathe out, you blow bubbles, so does a plant when it makes oxygen. So that's a cool way for you to see how plants use energy to make oxygen for us to breathe.